Hi Cowboys, it's Lily Rodriguez, your ASB president, here with today's broadcast. First, upperclassmen, don't forget, prom is April 9th at the Grove in Anaheim. Tickets are now on sale. They are $100 with an ASB card, $110 without an ASB card, and you can also purchase a guest pass for $120. Please keep in mind that your guest cannot be older than 20 years old. If you need a permission slip, it can be found in the front office. Also, senior Grad Bash tickets are on sale as well. This year's trip is to Universal Studios, so get yours as soon as possible. Come pick up your permission slip in the VP office with Miss Heather. You will need a signed permission slip in order to purchase your ticket, as well as your student ID. An Aries account will not be accepted.
Hi Cohen students, this is your friend Caesar. Just a friendly reminder to return those books.
Hi everyone, this is Miss Valdez in the library. Just a friendly reminder to bring in those textbooks and maybe even any Chromebooks that you have lying around that you're not using. You can turn those into the library before school, after school, during your lunch, or anytime during class, as long as you have a pass.
Dear Cajon students, please return your books to the library.
And as your friendly reminder, please make sure to purchase your cap and gown at www.jostens.com. Order as soon as possible. And another reminder, don't forget to sign your senior contract because you need that in order to participate in any senior activities, including graduation. Cowboys, don't forget the Cajon Wellness Center is up and running. You can visit B20 during your lunch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The interns are doing a great job by leading stress management talks and open discussions on how you can deal with stress. So check it out. Everyone is welcome. Cowboys, it's not too late to join Cajon's outstanding track team. They're still taking participants. Their schedule is Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Meet them at the track. No previous experience is required. Cowboys, if you are interested in earning college credit while in high school, or if you're interested in taking a college course for free, anybody interested in joining the Valley Now classes for summer may see Mr. U during lunch or after school. Also, please contact Mr. U if you need any help with the FAFSA application, as the deadline is coming up in 2 weeks, so don't delay. And tonight we have a basketball game here at Cajon at 7 o'clock. It's the boys varsity basketball team playing in the quarterfinals versus Foothill. If you're interested in attending, check out this QR code to buy tickets on the GoFan app. To the competitive cheer team as they compete at CIF State this weekend at Downey High School. If you see them wearing their white jackets today, wish them well. If you're interested in attending, you can check out this QR code to buy your tickets on the GoFan app. And finally, Cowboys, we have another 3-day weekend, so we'll see you back on Tuesday.